Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel SN Education and Skills. I am Atanu Betal and in this video lecture we discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature of the bicyclic compounds. Okay, before starting the discussions about this topic, I would like to remind you that if you are new to this channel or you do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe it now. Let's start our discussion about the IUPAC nomenclature of the bicyclic organic compounds. For bicyclic organic compound, this one is an example of the bicyclic organic compounds. For the bicyclic organic compounds, two rings are joined together or fused together, like you can say example like this one. Here two rings are fused together. These are called the bicyclic compounds where two rings are fused together. Okay. So similarly here two rings are fused together. These are called the bicyclic compounds. And for the bicyclic compounds, this one means there are bridge heads. This one means this carbon and this carbon is called bridgehead carbon. These two carbons are called bridgehead, and this bridge join these two bridgehead using two carbons in the bridge. This two carbons in the bridge. This bridge is joining the two bridgehead. This two bridgehead is joined by this bridge, by this bridge, and by this bridge. So in this bridge two carbons present, in this bridge one carbon present, and in this bridge two carbons present. So if we draw this structure using carbon, then this look like CH2, this one is CH2, this one is CH2, this one is CH2, and this one is CH2. This is the compound structure, and this is a bicyclic compound, and for bicyclic compound these two are called bridgehead. This one is bridgehead. Bridgehead carbon, two bridgehead carbon, and two bridgehead carbons are joined by carbon bridge, two carbons bridge, one carbon bridge, two carbon bridge. And for naming this compound, what we have to do at first, numbering. For numbering, we have to keep one or place 1 to the bridgehead carbon, 1, 2, 3, this carbon 4, 5, 6, and this carbon 7. This is the numbering of this bicyclic compound, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So in this case, at first the larger bridge is numbered, then the shorter bridge is numbered. These two bridges are the larger bridge. After numbering these two bridges, the shorter bridge, the 7 number is for the shorter bridge, 7 is given. So after numbering the larger bridge, the shorter bridge is numbered in this case, and the bridge, number of carbon present in the bridge is written in the decreasing order. For example, if we write the name of this compound, we write it as bicyclo, then number of carbons bridge, here 2 carbons bridge, 2 carbons bridge, 1 carbons bridge, so we write it as 2 to 1, and total number of carbon is 7, so heptane. So the name of this compound is bicyclo 2,2,1 heptane. Okay, this is a bicyclic compound, therefore the bicyclo is the is coming first, bicyclo, and number of carbons bridge 2, 2 and 1, so 2 to 1 heptane. This is the IUPAC name of this molecule, bicyclic molecule. and in this way we write the IUPAC name of the bicyclic compound. Now we see some examples, other examples of bicyclic compounds and their nomenclature. Suppose we are taking this one as example. This one we have to write the IUPAC name of this molecule. In this case it is a bicyclic compound, two rings are joined together, and for naming of this we have to write the number at first, keep the number, and for this molecule we are seeing that these two are bridgehead, this one and this one, and the numbering is like 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, 6 carbons are present here, and this name of this molecule is bicyclo. After that the bridge carbons, these two are the bridge, and in this bridge 2 carbons are present, in this bridge 2 carbons, and in this bridge 0 carbons are present. So the naming is like 2 2 and 0, 2 2 2 carbons bridge, 2 2 0, total number of carbon 6, then hexane bicyclo 220 hexane, 2 carbons and 0 carbons. So this is the IUPAC name of this bicyclic compound, and if we want to give IUPAC name of this bicyclic compound, for this bicyclic compound the IUPAC name is like these two are the bridge, this one and this one, these two are the bridge carbon. So we name larger ring number first. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So 8 carbons are here present, and the 8 carbons are numbered as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, in this way we have to number this bicyclic compound. After numbering this bicyclic compound, after numbering like this, we have to write the IUPAC name of this molecule, and for this molecule the IUPAC name is bicyclo, because it is bicyclic compound, bicyclo. And after that number of carbons bridge 1 2 3, and so 3, then 2 carbons bridge, so 2, and this one is 1 carbon bridge. But before this we have to write the name of this methyl group that is present in the 8th position. So our naming, we have to write the name of this methyl group first. So 8 methyl, then bicyclo, 8 methyl, then bicyclo, 8 methyl bicyclo, then third bracket and 3 carbons bridge, this one is 2 carbons bridge and 1 carbon bridge, 3 2 and 1. So 8 methyl bicyclo 3 2 1 octane. This is the IUPAC name of this molecule, 8 methyl and bicyclo 3 2 1 octane. This is the IUPAC name of this organic molecule, bicyclic organic molecules. Similarly we can take other examples also. For this molecule, IUPAC name of this molecule, these two are the main bridge carbon 1 and 2, and we number it as 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so this is bicyclic compound, so bicyclo, and then bracket 2 carbons joined, 2, this is 1 and this is 0. So bicyclo here 1 carbon joined these two bridgehead, 2 carbons join these two bridgeheads. So bicyclic 2 2 2 1 0, here 2 carbons, here 1 carbon and here 0 carbon. So 2 1 0 pentane. This is the IUPAC name of this molecule, cyclic bicyclic molecule, bicyclo 2210 pentane. So for numbering of bicyclic compound, at first the larger ring is numbered like this one. The larger ring is number first, then the smaller ring is number. Okay. For a bicyclic compound, at first larger ring is numbered, then the shorter ring is numbered. Sorry, ring. No, this is the larger bridge, not ring. Larger bridge is number first, and then the shorter bridge is numbered, and the number of carbon present in the bridge is written in the descending order. So here see 210. So number of carbon present in the bridge is written in descending order, and number of carbon present in the bridge are written in this form. Number of carbon present in the bridge to join the two bridge head. So this is the main process of IUPAC nomenclature of the bicyclic compound. You have to identify the two bridge head and the carbons that are joining the two bridge head, means carbon bridge that are joining the two bridge head. The number of carbon present in the each bridge carbon carbon bridge that is joining the two bridge head carbons, you have to understand, and then you have to write it as like bicyclo 210 pentane. Suppose in this case a methyl group is present here, that time you write the name as it is 5 position, so you have to add 5 methyl bicyclo and 5 methyl bicyclo 210 pentane. This is the IUPAC name of this molecule. In this way you can write the IUPAC name of the organic bicyclic organic compounds. So this is the total discussion about the IUPAC name of bicyclic compounds. If you find any question regarding this discussions, then you can ask in the comment section below, or if you find this video is useful for you, you are learning from this something from this video, then you can like this video and you can subscribe this channel also. If you find that something is important or something some important videos are present in this video, and you like to support me to create this type of more videos, then you can subscribe it.